How to download Ludo offline. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can download and install the Ludo offline app on your device. For this, if you are on the Android device, open Play Store and make sure to sign into your Gmail account. If you are using iOS device, open up App Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar. Here you want to type Ludo offline and search for this. You are going to receive lots of search results over here. Select the one that says Ludo offline. Now, if you want to know more about this application, tap on About This Game option. Here you have all the information about Ludo offline. If you scroll down, you also have game info such as version, download size, required OS. It also shows the compatibility for your active devices. Now, if you want to download this application, simply tap on the Install option. As soon as you do that, the download will begin. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time for the download to be completed. Once it has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the play button and the application will open. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.